Hello dear traders, welcome back to Insta TV. You're watching financial news with me, Anna Kasatkina. Oil prices are plummeting for the second day in a row. The Brent crude benchmark has approached the lowest level in 1.5 months. Previously, investors were buying the commodity amid concerns about shortage of supplies in the wake of embargo on Iranian oil. Now, investors do not rule out a possibility of oversupplies and rush to sell oil futures. After a two-day fall, Brent prices declined to $75.50 per barrel. Furthermore, markets found out that Saudi Arabia and other OPEC members are producing oil at a breakneck pace. Saudi oil minister said that the kingdom can satisfy anyone's demand for crude oil. However, there are certain doubts about the demand levels. Yesterday, the stock indices fell across the board, which is a signal that the manufacturing activity is weakening. Whether it is true or not, PMI reports from markets will show. Learn more about it in our next edition. Meanwhile, WTI prices are consolidating near two-month lows. The quotes have plunged to the level of $66 per barrel. A fall was triggered by yesterday's report from the American Petroleum Institute that showed a sharp increase in the stockpiles of crude oil in the United States. Today, the Energy Information Administration will release the official data that is likely to confirm the upward tendency. If so, oil prices will extend gains. A plunge in oil prices has not influenced the commodity currencies so far. Traders on the Canadian dollar are waiting for the results of the Bank of Canada's monetary policy meeting. The central bank is expected to hike the interest rate. The United States dollar versus the Canadian dollar pair was trading in the range between 1.3080 and 1.3100. At the same time, the Russian currency reacted to changes in the oil market. Despite a peak of the tax period in Russia, the ruble lost 50 points against the US dollar in 2 days. Still, the European currencies, namely the euro and the British pound, are more interesting to traders. These currencies have taken a nosedive, and we will tell you more about it in our next edition. Don't miss it. Stay tuned.